game changer in trading, FlowMaster Alpha Omega, also known as AO. This revolutionary tool brings real-time order flow analysis to your trading arsenal. The FlowMaster AO algorithm uses real-time order flow data, volume at price analysis, and proprietary calculations to highlight market opportunities like never before. Green alphas indicate a bullish signal, while blue alphas suggest even stronger bullish pressure. On the flip side, red omegas and pink omegas highlight bearish signals, with pink being the stronger indicator. Each AO signal comes with a strength number. Higher values indicate stronger buying or selling imbalances. Clustering on smaller timeframes often hints at a larger trend on higher timeframes. FlowMaster Alpha Omega is designed with you in mind, offering advanced customization to fit your trading style. Here's what you can do. Enable or disable audio alerts for bullish and bearish signals. Adjust calculation intervals for precise real-time updates. Filter signals by strength to focus on the most impactful ones. Customize horizontal and vertical lines for clear market levels across all your charts. With these features, you'll have the tools to analyze trends and imbalances like never before. Here's how it works in real time. A blue alpha signals a strong rally, while a pink omega pinpoints a market reversal. The results? Precision trading at its finest, ready to master the markets with FlowMaster Alpha Omega. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.